Hi, my name is Jennifer, and I'm going to show you how to multiply by a monomial. So grab a pencil and some paper and work these problems with me. Let's look at this first example. Our monomial in this example is a 3. We are going to multiply the 3 times this binomial x plus 5. I'm going to show you how to do it. We are going to take the 3 on the outside and we're going to multiply it by the x, and we're going to multiply it by the 5. 3 times 5 is 3x. When you're multiplying a number by a variable, they really don't mix. And so what you do is you just sit them next to each other. You're going to put the number, which is called the coefficient, first, followed by any variable in alphabetical order. Because we only have an x, that's the only one that's going to sit there. Okay, next, it's very important that you remember that you're multiplying this monomial to a binomial. So we also need to consider this positive 5. Some people find it helpful to draw a second line just to remind them that they're also doing a second multiplication problem. 3 times positive 5 is a positive 15. So the answer to this multiplication problem is 3x plus 15. So let's take a look at this problem. We have the monomial 5x times the binomial x minus 6. We're going to follow the same steps. We're going to multiply this monomial to each term. 5x times x gives us a 5x squared, because x times x gives us the x squared. Next, we're going to multiply the 5x times the negative 6. And again, you can draw the second line if that helps. 5x times the negative 6 is a negative 30x. The answer to this multiplication problem is 5x squared minus 30x. So here's another example. This is negative 7y times 2y plus 3. Let's multiply this. This is negative 7y times 2y. That gives us a negative 14y squared. Then we'll multiply the negative 7 times the positive 3, and that gives us a negative 21y. So the answer to this multiplication problem is negative 14y squared minus 21y. Okay, let's take a look at this last problem. We have x times a plus b. Notice that there's no numbers, and so probably it already looks very difficult for you, but you can solve this in a cinch. Here we go. We're going to multiply x times a. Because those are two variables, we can't really multiply them like we can multiply two numbers, and so all we can do is put those letters in alphabetical order. So x times a is ax. Next, we're going to multiply x times b. Again, because they're two variables, we're going to put those in alphabetical order. So it will be a plus bx. The answer to this multiplication problem is ax plus bx. Now, if you still have questions about this topic, contact your professor or stop by the math tutoring lab or watch this video again.